Blossom drop, blossom end rot, cutworms, late blight, hornworms, none of these come out of nowhere. Every single one hits at the same predictable moment in your plant's life. Your tomato plant goes through 5 stages from transplant to final harvest. Each one has a problem that regularly blindsides gardeners. Here's what to watch for at each stage so you're not cleaning up the mess instead of picking tomatoes. Don't rush this. Tomatoes are tropical plants. Soil needs to be at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit before you put them in the ground. 70 degrees Fahrenheit is better. Below 55 degrees Fahrenheit in the air, they drop blossoms before fruit ever sets. And harden your seedlings off first. Bring them outside during the day for at least 2 days, then bring them in at night. Skip that step and they'll go into shock when you plant them. The plant is building roots and sizing up. The problem most people miss here is cutworms. They sever young stems right at the soil line overnight. You wake up to a plant that's just fallen over with a clean cut at the base. The fix is simple: put a collar around each stem at planting. A toilet paper roll works fine. This is where most gardeners lose tomatoes without knowing why. Tomatoes drop their flowers when air temperature goes above 90 degrees Fahrenheit during the day or drops below 55 degrees Fahrenheit at night. That's not a disease. It's stress. Nothing you can spray will fix it. The other blossom killer is dry soil. Keep moisture consistent during this stage or flowers go without ever setting fruit. 3 things pile up here. First, blossom end rot. Those dark sunken spots on the bottom of the fruit. It's a calcium deficiency, but the cause is almost always uneven watering. When moisture swings, the plant can't pull calcium from the soil. Water consistently and it usually stops on its own. Second, late blight. Pale green, water-soaked spots on leaves that turn dark brown or purplish black. Brown lesions on stems. It spreads fast. Spray Actinovate, a biological fungicide, every month starting from planting day to prevent it from taking hold. Third, tomato hornworms. Big green caterpillars that strip a plant fast. Spray with Bt Bacillus thuringiensis while they're actively feeding. Reapply every 10 to 14 days because rain washes it off. Indeterminate varieties keep producing until frost hits them. When a light frost is forecast, cover your plants with floating row cover, sometimes called fleece. If a hard frost is coming, pick the remaining tomatoes green. Wrap each one individually in newspaper and let them ripen at 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit indoors, away from direct sunlight. Don't let them touch each other. 5 stages. 5 windows where the right move protects your harvest. Miss them and you're dealing with rot, stripped plants, and tomatoes that never made it. Full guides for every one of these problems are at Yardener.com.